Bonjour tout le monde, bonjour, bonjour, bonsoir, dépendant de l'heure à laquelle vous vérifiez cette leçon. Ok, donc si vous avez votre livre, ouvrez la page 69. If you have your book, open to page 69. Let's go ahead and start. We're going to talk about dessert drinks. So, vocabulaire. Okay, go ahead and repeat. Des desserts. Une glace à la vanille. Une glace au chocolat. Okay. Une limonade. Une crêpe. Une quiche. Un steak frites. Un jus de pomme. Une omelette. Okay. Un sandwich au fromage. Un sandwich au jambon. Une salade. Un hot dog. Un hamburger. Okay. And then les boissons means drinks. Okay. Un coca. Une eau minérale. Un café. Un jus de raisin. And un jus d'orange. It's important that you get these words down, okay? You get the spelling and you get the meaning. It's very, very important. Let's go ahead and go to the next page on conversation culturelle. Oh, before we actually go to conversation culturelle, there's some other items here that I almost missed. Okay, so la vanille, le chocolat, le jambon, le fromage, les frites, l'orange, la pomme, les raisins. Okay. Jambon is ham, okay? And this is orange, cheese, okay, and grapes, okay? So in French, raisin, the grapes. Okay, now how do you say raisin? We say how do you say raisin? Then raisin is also grape still, okay? So we say raisin. Okay, for the resin is dry resin, dry grape. So we will say le raisin also. Okay, let's move on. Make sure you get the spelling down once again and the pronunciation too. Let's move on to the next. Okay, conversation. Okay, as you have noticed, after every vocabulary, we talk about a little bit in a situation where you will have French speakers having a dialogue, you know, and it's usually talking about food. I mean, whatever the item you talk about on the vocabulary. Here in this instance, it's going to be food. So we have le serveur is the weather, and then Madame Paganini and Monsieur Paganini. So Monsieur and Madame Paganini are having lunch at a small cafe on le boulevard Saint-Martin in Paris. So the server arrived to take the order. So let's check it out. So the server says, Bonjour, Monsieur, Dame. Vous désirez? Je voudrais une salade et un jus de pomme, s'il vous plaît. Et pour vous, monsieur, je voudrais un steak frites et une eau minérale, s'il vous plaît. Et comme dessert, je voudrais une glace au chocolat. Donnez-moi aussi un café, s'il vous plaît. Okay. So let's go ahead and repeat. Bonjour, messieurs, dames. Vous désirez? Je voudrais une salade et un jus de pomme, s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais une salade et un jus de pomme, s'il vous plaît. Et pour vous, messieurs, et pour vous, messieurs, je voudrais un steak frites et une eau minérale, s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais un steak frites et une eau minérale, s'il vous plaît. Et comme dessert, et comme dessert, je voudrais une glace au chocolat. Je voudrais une glace au chocolat. Donnez-moi aussi un café, s'il vous plaît. Donnez-moi aussi un café, s'il vous plaît. Alright, let's go ahead and talk about the meaning of this conversation here. Bonjour, monsieur, dame. Okay, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Or you can say good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, vous désirez, what would you like? Okay, I would like a salad and an apple juice, please. And for you, sir, I would like steak with fries, okay, and mineral water, please, as a dessert and dessert. And I would like, okay, I would like uh, chocolate ice cream. Give me a coffee too, please. Give me a coffee also, please. So hopefully you get the meaning. Please make sure you get these words down. And you notice that here we have new vocabularies we're going to talk about once we get to the structure, the grammar. All right. All right. Now let's go ahead and talk about culture a little bit pertaining to this lesson. Let's talk about culture. Okay. So you notice here they say they were meeting at Saint Michel in the conversation that we had previously. They met at Saint Michel. Remember, Le Boulevard Saint Michel runs through the heart of Quartier Latin in Paris. Okay, it's located to near France's most famous university, La Sorbonne. Okay, La Sorbonne is a university in France, very famous. Okay, this street is one of the centers of student life, meaning that since that boulevard is located next to university. Obviously, we're gonna have many students hanging out there on that street on that boulevard. Okay, let's go for the next one. Les frites. Okay, something you will learn today. Okay, steak frites refer to steak that is served with French fries. And then something you will learn today is that French fries, les frites, are also popular in Belgium where they originated. So one new thing we're learning here, French fries do not come from France, okay? They come from Belgium. Okay, French fries and snack bar in Belgium are called friterie. Friterie is a place where you're gonna buy fries. Okay, it's just called friterie. Okay, let's talk about the drinks. Okay, some popular drinks that you can have in France, especially talking about water, are Vitel, Perrier, Vichy, Contrex, Evian, and Badois. Those are brand names of popular drinks in France when we talk about water. Okay, fruit juice are not just for breakfast, but are served throughout the day. So basically, if you go to a restaurant, you're gonna have a fruit juice like all day long. You can have it. Whereas here in America, when you go to McDonald's or you go to different places to eat, they serve juice only in the morning during breakfast. Okay, so usually only young children drink milk. Okay, alright. I drink milk too. I'm not a student, but or a child. I drink milk. So usually only young children over there drink milk. Diablo Mante is a sweet drink made by mixing lemon lime soda with mint flavored syrup. Okay, so it's very good. So basically, to get the syrup, it's a little bit like the syrup. Here we have the powder that gives you flavor that you put on the milk or in the water, or you also have a liquid, liquid base um, liquid base produce that have a taste of, it could be what, strawberries, cranberries that you mix with water and then it gives you a flavor. Flavor water in France they have like that syrup is a bit thicker and sweeter. So and people use it also for water as well as milk. Okay, and also mix it with in soda to just change it to just have a flavor. Okay, other drink can be made with different flavor syrups. Okay, French speaker also buy soft drinks such as Coca and Pepsi. So they also drink Coke and Pepsi. Alright. So let's talk about the cafe. Okay, the French even teenagers have coffee at the end of the meal. Yeah, coffee is very very popular. If you go to someone's house, they have to have a coffee maker. Okay, they always have it. They drink it at the end of milk. They don't drink it during at the end of the meal. They don't drink it during the meal. Okay, and it's at the end. So they may order an express. It's express coffee or cafe creme. Coffee with cream, during the day at a cafe with the friends. So coffee is made and served in one cup at a time rather than by the pot. Yeah, in America, we just have a bigger cup where we bowl, we put coffee and drink it. It's really, really small. Just serve it like one cup at a time. One cup at a time. Okay. So basically, coffee very popular in France. All right. So we also know about crepes. Students often stop with a friend at the crêperie. Okay, those are crepe shop where they snack on a dessert crepe. Okay, and the crepe kind of resemble a thin pancake filled with jam. Sometimes it can be filled with jam, butter, sugar, or even with chocolate. And then they originate from the province of Brittany. Remember that they originate from the province of Brittany in northwest France. But are now also a popular dessert throughout the country, so everyone eat crepes. Okay, as a meal, this pancake can be made with buckwheat flour, then called galette. They may be filled with ham, eggs, and or cheese. Also, but basically, you can put anything you want in a crepe just to make it to a taste that you would like. Okay, so now that was the culture. Let's go ahead and do activity 2 and 3. We're gonna do activity 2 together, and then 3 is gonna be your work. So just answer this question on whether you are hungry or thirsty. Okay, so let's go ahead. Vous avez faim ou soif? Number one. Okay, j'ai soif. What about number two? You're eating something. You're gonna say j'ai faim. Number three. What is it? Hopefully say j'ai faim. Okay, I kind of skipped number three. I don't know why. But number four is gonna be j'ai soif. Okay. Number five, j'ai faim, you eat. What about number six, ice cream? Do you eat ice cream or you drink ice cream? So it's ice, so basically you eat it. So c'est j'ai faim. Number seven, drink, j'ai soif. And number eight, j'ai faim. Okay? Very simple. J'ai faim, j'ai soif. Hungry, thirsty. You know, get it. So now for your homework, you're gonna go ahead and do activity 3. Okay, basically you're just gonna look at the picture and tell what it is. You're gonna say c'est un, c'est une, whatever it is. And then, for example, the model here is an omelette. You're gonna say c'est une omelette. It's important that you know the article that precedes it. Okay, so let me go number one as usual. Okay, number one, c'est une crêpe. Okay, you're gonna write down c'est une crêpe and do continue, all the way to number 8 and turning out the model. Okay, until then, take care of yourself and see you in class tomorrow. Au revoir, à bientôt. Bye.